Hi, I'm Tim Queen, and today I'm going to tell you how you can fix your shaky video footage. You can be all charismatic as you want, but if your video camera is shaky, you're going to lose 50% or more of this charisma due to people are going to be distracted, they're going to feel sick, feels like an earthquake, feels like riding the bike, and people are getting jittery just looking at your footage. And there's just two simple ways how you can get this fixed. Number one, you buy a tripod and put your smartphone in it or your DSLR. There's different adapters you can use, and you just position yourself, and it will be much calmer. And people just like me now using a tripod, you take away a lot of this kind of nervousness. People can calm down, they can actually pay attention what you're saying, what you're talking about, and they're not distracted by the shakiness of your footage. Number two, what you can use a gimbal. A gimbal is basically a 3-axis motor which can hold your smartphone or DSLR camera. And what this is doing, basically, if you're moving the gimbal up, the motor will bring the camera down. It works to a certain degree. If you try to hold it fairly steadily, it can counterclockwise 3 axes. Moving slightly to the left, the gimbal will counteract and move it to the right, so it stays centered. Moving forward, the gimbal will pull it back. So those are 3 axes, and just by using this, you create a lot of clear footage. So the gimbal always knows what is steady and straight, and it will always make the counter movements faster than your hand can move in most cases. So use a tripod or a gimbal to stabilize your footage, and you will be much more charismatic in any video whatsoever. So let me know in the comments what you think of shaky videos, and make sure you hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on to get more videos like this about video marketing and content marketing. See you soon.